Alright, so once you guys have all of your documents uploaded to Google Drive, you will need to just huddle around one computer, and you're all going to work together to meet the goal of merging all of your layers together as one document. Okay, so today is where you're going to take your separate layers and fuse them together to one document. So you'll start with Google Drive, and you're going to right-click and download all of the different layers that you have uploaded, or all the different documents that you have uploaded to Google Drive. So I have one more here, and you'll know which ones are yours because they should have your names on them. Once they're in your downloads bar here, you'll know that you have all 3 or all 4 or however many layers you guys have that you need to merge together. So you have them there. You're going to go to File, Open as Layers. When you click Open as Layers, because you've just downloaded the documents from Google Drive, right now we haven't moved them anywhere other, like we haven't moved them to a different file folder. So they're still in our Downloads folder. By clicking File, Open as Layers, we're going to open the document. So here's my flower section. I'm going to continue to go File, File, Open as Layers. I'm going to find my mermaid layer. And you see how it's kind of shuffling them around? Later we can move those around, but you'll see them being added. All the layers that were in that one document will be added over here, and we can hide those and move them and discard the ones that we don't want. But for now, we're just going to continue going File, Open as Layers, and you're going to open every single layer that you need, every XCF document that you need. And then you'll go through and, like I have a bunch of extra background layers. I only need one background layer. So this background layer here can go away. This background layer here can go away. You may also need to kind of reposition. The things that are in the foreground will maybe need to be moved farther to the top, and the things that are in the background will maybe need to be moved farther to the back of your layer. Some of them were invisible when I imported them in, but just by clicking that little visible button, you'll see what's what. Once you have all of your layers imported, I recommend just getting rid of everything that you don't need, double clicking some of these mysterious layers, like why are there mermaid drawing and hair. You can either merge them down and then rename them so that you know what's what. Then you'll want to just save. You can click Control S to save, or File, Save. I'd actually also do Save As, and you can call it your document underscore merge complete, so that you know that it's the completed, merged, most recent, updated version. And then make sure that it gets saved into your locker. Since I'm working on my personal computer, I'm just going to make sure that it gets into digital design. There we go. And it'll still be an XCF file.
Okay.
Your next step is to upload this to Google Drive. So go back into Google Drive, File, Upload, and there's that merged complete document. Open that. The next thing that I think that would be really helpful for you guys is, as individuals, to download this document onto your separate computers and look really closely at all of your different layers, because if you zoom in, you may find that you have disconnected sections where they really should be connected. So as a group, you guys can work to find those disconnected sections, and then on one computer, go ahead and just use the paths tool to fill in those holes if there are any. So I can continue to move my flower tool around. If there's anything else that you think that needs to be adjusted as a group, just kind of talk together, and you can make those group adjustments just on one computer, but then make sure that at the end of class you save your document to Google Drive so that you're all still able to access that most recent document no matter what.
Okay.